Optical diastereomer. First of all, we will learn about the definition, about some important points. Then after we will go into examples of optical diastereomer. Optical isomers which are neither mirror image nor superimposable to each other are called diastereomer. Yeah, optical diastereomer are simply diastereomer. Diastereomer occur when two or more stereoisomers of a compounds having different configurations at one or more but not all of equivalent stereocenter, and diastereomer is always optically active compounds. Diastereomer have a different chemical and physical properties. They can easily be separated by physical method. I'll explain one by one. Which are neither mirror image nor are superimposable to each other. Means if two compounds are diastereomer to each other, then they will not be mirror image and nor will they are superimposable to each other. They will not be superimposable and they will not be a mirror image of to each other. Suppose these two compounds are enantiomer, because this compound's mirror image is this compound, so they are enantiomer to each other because they have not plane of symmetry, center of symmetry is absent. So this compound plane of symmetry, center of symmetry is absent, and the mirror image of this compound is this compound, so they are enantiomer to each other. Also these two compounds are enantiomer to each other, but this compound, first compounds and third compounds, which are not neither mirror image nor superimposable to each other, and have different configuration at one या more equivalent stereocenter position, means they are 1 and 3rd are of diastereomer, 1 and 4th are diastereomer, 2nd and 3rd are diastereomer, 2nd and 4th are diastereomer, but 3rd and 4th are enantiomer, they are not diastereomer. I will explain each in detail step. Actually the first and third are diastereomer, then first and third will not be mirror image, as you can see that first and third is not mirror image, as Cl in this side, Cl in this side, and as this is first and third is not a mirror image at Cl in this side and Cl in this side. This is fine. If those two compounds mirror will place, neglect this compound. We should neglect this compound. We should consider 1 and 3rd. The OH in the right side, but this OH in the right side. Now we can say that this is not a mirror image. These two compounds are mirror image as Cl and OH, Cl and H on the same side. So this is a mirror image. Because mirror image you can simply take mirror image. Now these two are not mirror image, as these two compounds not superimposable. We cannot superimpose first into third, as if you superimpose on the first and third, that will not superimpose, as Cl will be in the right side, H will be in left side, but here in this compound H in the right side, Cl in the left side, which will not allow to superimpose 1 and 3rd. That's why 1 and second condition is okay. Third condition is the if two chiral center is there, then any one chiral center must be a different absolute configuration in each compound. If this compound, suppose if R will be, and this compound R, suppose these two stereoisomer, not I am not actually saying this R are having absolute configuration. I am supposing that if two will be R are absolute configuration, then these two stereocenter must have at least one different stereocenter than this compound. This compound must be S and R. Yeah, this compound have R and S. Means any one stereocenter must be have different must be a different absolute configuration. Means R and S configuration must be different at least in one stereocenter. And if all stereocenter, if this R, if this stereocenter will configuration SS, then 1 and 3rd will be enantiomer. But here for diastereomer, not all. Here I have already explained that diastereomer occur when two or more stereoisomer have different configuration at one or more, one at one positions or more position, but not all stereocenter. Means all the stereocenter must not be different absolute configuration. Only one less. If these compounds have suppose 5 stereocenter, means one less than this. At least maximum 4 stereocenter have a different configurations. At least one stereocenter must be different. If two stereocenter is there, then one must be different. If one must be different, then they will be dash streamer. If all the stress center will be different, means all the stress center will be opposite, then that cannot be a dash streamer, that will be enantiomer. I have already explained that. If suppose this two is 4 stress center is there, this compounds 4 stress center there, they are mirror image, they are not superimposable. If this OSS for absolute configuration, then this compound have at least one stress center must be different. That doesn't mean that all the stress center will be different. If all the stress center will be different in this compound, then R configuration, then that will be enantiomer. This is the not our criteria. Our criteria is that only one stress center, या 2 stress center, या 3 stress center is to be different. Not all the stress center must be different. So if this S, this is a dash streamer. If this will be R S, this is a dash streamer. If R S, this is a dash streamer. But if will be S, if will be R, all 4 will be different, then that will be enantiomer. So in this way I am saying that at one or more stress center will be different, but not all the stress center be different. So that will be dash streamer. I will explain. There are 4 stereoisomers of 3-chloro-2-ol, in which 1, 2nd, 3rd and 4, 1, 2nd, 3rd and 4 are an enantiomeric pair. 1 and 3rd are enantiomeric pair. 1 and 3rd, 1 and 3rd, 1 and 4, 2nd, 3rd, 2nd, 4th. I will explain. All isomers in each pair are neither mirror image nor superimposable to each other. Therefore, they are optical diastereomer. I have already explained. These are enantiomeric pair. These are enantiomeric pair. So this and this, 1st and 3rd, 1st and 4th, 2nd, 3rd, 2nd, 4th are optically diastereomer. I have already explained. 1, 3rd, 2nd, 3rd, 2nd, 4th are neither mirror image to each other as well neither superimposable to each other. So this pair of stereoisomers are diastereomer. These two compounds, 1 and 2nd, are neither mirror image nor superimposable to each other. So this pair are diastereomer. I have already explained some properties of diastereomer. Diastereomer have different chemical and physical properties, so they can be separated by a physical method. I'll make it clear by one topic is there about the physical method of separation of optical diastereomer that we will learn later. So I have already explained. In any examinations, suppose any examinations, this 1st and 3rd option is given and we have to find the relation. Then first of all we have to find the absolute configuration, this 2 chiral center. Also 2 chiral center we have to find the absolute configuration. If any one will be different absolute configuration, suppose here RR, here R and S will be there, then they are optically diastereomer. If both the stereo center have a opposite absolute configuration, means this will be RR, this will be SS, then they are enantiomer. If any one will be different, then they will be diastereomer. So this type of question will be asked. I will explain all these examples questions later. One thing I want to make clear in this enantiomer, that if 2 compounds are neither mirror image nor superimposable to each other, if no mirror image nor superimposable to each other, if this 1st and 3rd, suppose 1st and 3rd, now in upper example, suppose 1st and 3rd, 1st and 4th neither mirror image nor superimposed to each other, then there must be a absolute configuration must be a different any one stereo center. Means I am saying that if in examination 1 and 3rd is given, we have to find the relationship, then we have to find the stereo center absolute configuration. These 2 stereo center, these 2 chiral carbon, we have to find the absolute configuration, then we have to compare that there must be at least one different stereo center absolute configuration, then they will be diastereomer. But for a standard definition, if in examinations question is given A and 3rd, if they will not mirror image and nor superimposable to each other, and they have a same structure formula, they have same molecular formula, then they will definitely diastereomer to each other. Because if 2 compounds are not mirror image, not superimposable, then there is a general behavior that at least one RS absolute configuration must be different in other compound. So we didn't need to be check that RS are different or not, because it is time consuming. For cross check we can check, but for if you not want to check the mirror image, not want to check superimposable, then we have to find the RS. If RS will be different, at least one RS will be different, then they will be diastereomer. So I already explained that maximum maximum RS will be different less than maximum Kara center. If the 5 Kara center is there, then maximum 4 RS stereocenter will be different. 1 या 2, 1, 3 या 4, but cannot 5 cannot be different. Means all the stereocenter cannot be different. One less than maximum stereocenter with maybe different stereocenter absolute configurations. Already thing I have already explained. Now we will learn about the restrict mixture.